Assalamu alaikum students. Today I will deliver the lecture of SST of 5 class. I hope you will be fine and you have learned the previous lesson. In previous lecture we have discussed mud volcanoes. Now our today's topic is juniper forests. First of all, I'll tell you what is meant by juniper. An evergreen shrub or small tree that has berry-like cones. Now we will read about juniper forests which are found in Balochistan. Juniper trees are one of the slowest growing trees in the world. These trees are found in Balochistan, in Ziyarat and Zargun, but now they are in danger due to many reasons and causes. We will read these reasons and causes in this topic. Now I'm going to read this topic from book. Balochistan is home to some of the oldest juniper forests. दुनिया में बलोचिस्तान कुछ कदीम जूनिपर जंगलात का घर है. They are found in ज़ियारत and ज़रगून, not far from कोयटा. ये कोयटा से बहुत दूर नहीं, ज़ियारत और ज़रगून में पाए जाते हैं. The juniper is one of the slowest growing trees in the world and some of the trees in Balochistan are over 5000 years old. ये दरख्त दुनिया में सबसे कम ग्रो करने वाले दरख्त हैं और बलोचिस्तान में कुछ दरख्त 5000 years पुराने हैं. Many tourists come to the area to visit the forests. बहुत से सयाह इस एरिया में जंगलात की सैर के लिए आते हैं. Now we will read the reasons and causes due to which the forests are in danger. But the forests are in danger because a disease is killing the trees. लेकिन ये जंगलात अब खतरे में हैं क्योंकि एक बीमारी दरख्तों को ख़त्म कर रही है. People cut down the trees for firewood. लोग आग जलाने के लिए दरख्तों को काट रहे हैं. Concerned about the future of the forests, WWF Pakistan has developed a plan to try and protect the forests. जंगलात के मुस्तकबिल की फ़िक्र की वजह से पाकिस्तान ने WWF के नाम से जंगलात की हिफाजत के लिए एक मंसूबा तैयार किया. Now look at its fact on page number 17. Now we will read about length and berries which grow on juniper trees. Now I'm going to read its fact on page number 17. Juniper trees only grow 28 millimeter, means 1 inch a year. Juniper trees एक साल में 28 millimeter grow करते हैं. Now we will read the uses of berries. The berries can be used to flavor food and oil from the trees is used in medicines. Berries फूड में एज अ फ्लेवर यूज़ की जाती हैं और दरख्तों से हासिल किया जाने वाला तेल मेडिसिन्स में इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. नाउ आई विल टेल यू द क्लाइमेट ऑफ बलोचिस्तान. स्टूडेंट्स, बेसिकली बलोचिस्तान प्रोविंस हैज़न्ट मानसून सीजन लाइक अदर प्रोविंसेस ऑफ पाकिस्तान. इन विंटर्स temperature of Balochistan can fall as low as -20 degrees centigrade and in summers temperature remain between 18 degrees centigrade to 50 degrees centigrade. Now I'm going to read this topic from book. Unlike other parts of Pakistan, Balochistan does not have a monsoon season. पाकिस्तान के दूसरे हिस्सों के बरअक्स बलोचिस्तान में मानसून सीज़न नहीं होता. In winter, the temperature can fall as low as -20 degrees centigrade in the northern and mountainous regions. Northern and mountainous region में दर्जा हरारत -20 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड से भी नीचे चला जाता है. It is usually milder on the plains and the coast. लेकिन ये आम तौर पर प्लेन्स और कोस्ट एरियाज़ में ना तो बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म रहता है और ना ही बहुत ज़्यादा सर्द. In summer, it is hot and dry, especially in the Chogai and Karan areas in the west. वेस्ट में करान और चगाई के एरियाज गर्मियों में ना तो बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म होते हैं और ना ही बहुत ज़्यादा खुश्क। समर टेम्परेचर्स आर बिटवीन 18 एंड 50 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड इन मोस्ट रीजन्स। इस खिते में गर्मियों में टेम्परेचर 18 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड से 50 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड के दरमियान में रहता है। नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, हियर वी कैन मेक अ क्वेश्चन which is already mentioned in your notes. The question is define juniper forests. The answers start from here. Balochistan is home to some of till 5000 years old. The second question is why the juniper forests are in danger. The answers start from here. A disease is killing the trees. Till for firewood. Now students, look at its fact. Here we can also make a question that is already mentioned in your notes. The question is how much juniper trees grow in a year. The answers start from here. Juniper trees till a year. Our third question is how berries can be used. The answers start from here. The berries can be used in medicines. Here we can also make a question that is already mentioned in your notes. The question is write about the climate of Balochistan. The answers start from here. Unlike other parts of Pakistan, till in most regions. Now students, I hope today's topic will be cleared after watching this video. Now your task is to learn all these questions from your notes. We will meet in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.